Hello, dear students. Myself, Jitendra Jain, will see how to find Spearman's rank correlation, as it is required in most research studies where we have lot of data. We have to find out how one data set is correlated with the other data set. For that, we have to find out the correlation, and Spearman's coefficient of correlation is very commonly used in research studies. Today, we will see how Spearman's coefficient of correlation can be find out in Microsoft Excel. So, in this, I have two data sets, X and Y, and you can see total number of elements in both the data sets are 62. Now we have to use one command rank, and we have to find rank of the element with whole array. So we have selected this one. Now since this array is fixed, so we have to make it constant. And for ascending order, we have to put 1. Then we got rank. We can extend this formula to the whole array. Similarly, we have to find, you can write as rank of x. Similarly, rank of y. Now you can see b is here, and you can extend it for this whole array. Now, as here, this is the formula for Spearman's coefficient of correlation. So we have to find the difference in the ranks. So difference x and y, we can find out like this one, and can be extended. Here we have to use a square of the difference, di square. So you can write here di square here. So I can write, and can be extended. Now here we will require sum of the squares, difference of squares. So we can write here formula, summation of this whole column Now here we'll write the formula for the Spearman's correlation equals to, this is the formula, 1 minus 6 into summation of the difference of squares upon n square minus 1, or we can write it n cube minus n. So I'm writing this formula here, 1 minus 6 of, the summation is here, so it is f64. So f64 divided by n cube minus 1. Here n we have 62, so 62 cube 3 minus 62. So this is our Spearman's rank correlation. In this way, so we can see here it's a highly correlated, means these two data sets X and Y are highly correlated.